record our classroom data about the number of children in a household, and we can't really do that. I had some face-to-face students last semester and I got data from them, and we can use that data to help us. So I've written down our data from a previous semester's worth of students, and in the left-hand column you can see the number of children in the family. In the right-hand column you can see the number of bedrooms that are in their house. And what we want to do is use the horizontal axis. Remember, horizontal means it goes from side to side, this axis, to represent the number of children. And the vertical axis, that one goes up and down to represent the number of bedrooms. So I'm just going to go ahead and label them right away because that'll help me remember what I'm doing. And so horizontal was going to be number children, and the vertical is going to be the number of bedrooms. And then I need to figure out how much each block is going to be worth. So I'm looking at the number of children because that goes on the x-axis, the horizontal axis, and I see I have numbers 1 and there's a 5. I'm looking for the smallest is 1, and then the largest is 6, it looks like so far. So I think I have plenty of blocks so that each block stands for a single child. So I can label them each. That'll be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then for the number of bedrooms, the smallest number of bedrooms is 2 and the largest is 4. So I might just skip a couple just to space it out a little bit more. 1 bedroom, and it looks like I can skip here as well, so I'll go ahead and do that. And then this is how you do a plot. You find one pair of data, so 1 child, 3 bedrooms, that goes together. So the family with 1 child had a 3-bedroom house, so that's 1 pair of data. So I want to show 1 bedroom, or 1 child, 3 bedrooms. So I come over to my graph and I go to 1 child, and then up until my line is equal with the 3 bedrooms line, and that will put an intersection of that dot right there. So 1 child, 3 bedrooms. Okay, see how that works? Label it first and it's a lot easier to plot your data. The next one is 2 children, 4 bedrooms. So slide over to 2 children and up to 4 bedrooms. The next one is 3 children, 4 bedrooms. So 3 children up to 4 bedrooms. 4, 4, kind of on a pattern here. And then I have 5, 4, so 5 children, 4 bedrooms. 2 children, 3 bedrooms. It's back over to 2, up to 3. 3, 3, so 3, 3. 1, 4, 1 child, 4 bedrooms. 2, 4, I have another one here at 2. 6, 4, heavens, a lot of 4-bedroom houses in this group. 1, 4, I already have that one marked, and 3, 2. All right, there's a scatter plot of the data from my class, and it doesn't look like there's really much of a line. So I would say a week, maybe something like that, but it's pretty weak because it's not like a definite line when you look at it. So that's why I say weak. And then, is there a linear relationship between the number of children and the number of bedrooms in a household? Yes. Is it a strong relationship? No. And here's how you can tell if it's a negative or a positive, or if there's no relationship at all. Here you have, this is a positive relationship. So again, as you go from left to right, the data is increasing or getting higher. So in variable 2, so we go left to right, it's increasing. Here we go left to right, it's decreasing. so it's a negative relationship. And here the dots are just all over the place, so there is no relationship. So a positive correlation means that there is a positive relationship between two variables. And in our picture, as variable 2 increases, variable 1 also increases. And that was our first graph. A negative correlation then is a negative relationship between two variables. And as variable 2 increases, gets bigger, variable 1 is getting smaller. So as variable 2 is small, variable 1 is large. As variable 2 gets larger, variable 1 is getting smaller. Variable 2 gets larger, variable 1 gets much smaller. And that's what decreases mean. So as variable 2 increases, as we go to the right, variable 1 decreases. So it's going down, lower and lower every time.